If you don't like our video, please comment with a 0 so we can improve it. Seal Pack A7 for sliced meat in flat map applications. The packaging line for sausage packaging and flow wrap, HFFS, with this flexible film will be essential for leading food companies. The Seal Pack A tray sealing machine is designed for flexibility and efficiency. Seal Pack tray sealers provide quick and reliable sealing at all times. This ultrasonic roll slicer uses flying knives and a continuous conveyor system to keep the product in during cutting. The guitar cutter is ideal for cutting ganache, almond cake, soft caramel, chocolate and more quickly and accurately. You can cut square, rectangular, or diamond shapes. Next up will be the world's most advanced pizza making robot, making us hungry. Production process, but also ensures optimal quality and preservation of the product, every step from decoration to exploitation. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green color, and refreshing sweet taste, kiwi is not only a delicious fruit, but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity, but also ensures high quality of the final product. Process of washing and polishing apples after picking at the factory. The steps are carried out scientifically, ensuring food hygiene and safety. The use of modern equipment and strictly controlled processes helps remove dirt, bacteria, and the cherry tomato sorting and processing line is not only an important step but also the secret to creating high-quality and attractive tomato products. Looking at the red apples running on the chain makes me feel like I'm looking at a vivid picture of fresh autumn. Each apple with its brilliant red color and soft shape is like precious gems sparkling amid the flow of modern technology. Looking at the succulent mangoes sparkling on the necklace, we cannot help but be amazed by their delicate and attractive beauty. Each mango with its soft appearance and bright color becomes brilliant gems in the light. With high precision and performance, this machine is capable of sorting onions by size and quality quickly and accurately.